Now, all PropellerAds users can advertise in Telegram mini apps. It's a new ad format that seamlessly fits Telegram's look and feel. And here's what it looks like. How will the user see your ad? While a user interacts with the mini app, an ad appears natively, say when a user runs out of lives in the game, and a user clicks on the ad, and it's then taken to your landing page, your Telegram mini app or channel. So why is Telegram traffic the new holy grail for advertisers? It is a new source of traffic, so the competition is still very low. Users are engaged, they make purchases in mini apps, play games or use wallets, and when they see native banners, they're more likely to click on the ads. Huge amounts of available traffic, multiple unique targeting options you can only find in PropellerAds. Zone bidding, auto optimization, CPA-based pricing, and most importantly, Telegram traffic is already in your Propeller account. Use it exclusively or mix ad formats. No need for an extra account or additional tracking solution. In other words, if you're an advertiser with a product, a Telegram mini app owner, or you have a Telegram channel that needs a larger audience, this ad format is just for you. Find it on our platform.